in the music. Isn't it?
I understand.
You see it, so you
And
don't
and
know.
and before you go also, there's a lot of things happening back in Jamaica about
Yeah.
with the females getting abused and killed and stuff. Do you have anything to input on that
We
from
know,
the man himself,
yo,
Stein?
yo. Let me tell you this. No people straight for talk. But yo, where them boy they are do, we not support none of yeah, we not support. Yeah, you see, when me even look on them things that and
Yeah,
see what one in my country, my lad, me get real emotional. You
for
see me?
real, man, for real, for real,
We not support nothing what them boy they are do. And we
for
not
real,
support them.
for real,
You
for real,
understand?
for real, for real,
We
for
not
real,
rate them.
for
You
real, for
understand?
real, for real, for real.
And we not care who them. That
Understand me?
not go on. That not here go on.
So this is a strong point where we are end
And
point. So
boy, we are
on
do
the
that.
top it,
I
we
want
don't
to
support them. You understand me? Jungle
yo,
justice ago. You understand me? So
yo.
just hold it there, so hold it there, so
All
jungle,
right.
jungle,
You didn't even
jungle.
want to say
We
nothing.
up in a Portland bush on one
You see
part. You
me?
understand me?
Leave the little girl them make them grow.
For real, man.
Leave the girl them make them grow. You
For real,
understand?
for real.
Don't treat woman like woman and on a property youth. I want to.
True thing.
And even if you no give a woman something, my youth, a woman is not an investment, my lad.
You
And
understand
let me
me?
tell you this, you see, boy, we take back things from woman and vex with woman and want hurt woman because them give woman something and the woman leave, them want hurt the woman. Them boy, they never want give it in the first place.
It's for real,
That's
man.
why me I tell a young girl them say, yo, just independent, you know. And it
Yeah,
depends
man.
on a boy, you know. And them the boy come go on like them more than only, you know.
True, true.
Hear that woman?
Yeah, man, for
Because
real, man.
me forward a Europe and me to say, yo, anything where a man can do, like work and them thing, the woman can do
Can
it
do
too.
it too. Same
My
way,
girl,
for
me
real.
date, my youth, me date girl where drive truck, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Pretty
for
little
real.
white girl, you know.
I drive truck.
A
Yeah,
trailer
man.
truck she drive. You want to see how she little and short and pretty.
Yeah, man, for real, man. So,
And a trailer truck with whole heap of goods she drive.
for real, for
You
real, for real,
understand?
man. For real, man.
So woman can do it too. And I
For
tell you,
real, man. So
My
ladies,
Jamaican
so
girls them.
ladies, so ladies
Yeah,
out there.
don't depend on a boy. Me nah say, man, not to give woman money, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
If you are the man and you more better off than your
You need
girlfriend.
to help your
I
woman
want,
to carry your
you have to
woman.
help your woman. I want my woman to look pop down and I want
You
me
understand
have
me?
money and me can afford it.
For real, for real.
You
So
understand?
some, but some
It
boy
even
if you understand.
have to be me woman.
For real, for real.
Me no want to see no woman look pop down to you. You can help out, your dogs them, your virgin them. What about the
Yeah,
few
man.
little girl them with hang around you too? Them and a human being too. Say
For
let
real, man.
help
For
out the
real,
dogs
for
them
real.
alone and the few little girl them where they run the thing too. Make the girl them look good too. I want to give woman money too. I want to you even have to deal with them. You
You
understand?
understand me?
Help out. So you help out your virgin boy, you want to help out your sister. I want to
For real, man.
a
So,
human being, we have to treat human being like human being
for
not
real,
be
man.
like say, if you give a woman something, you have to get back something.
No,
Or you have
no.
to kill her.
For
You
real, man.
understand?
For real, man.
You have to do that.
So this is a strong note to
I want
end
to,
on. You understand
yeah,
me?
man, you have to
Stein,
treat the woman them like human being, brother. And
for
don't
real, man.
disrespect the
For real,
woman
man.
them. You know,
For
born
real,
out
for
a
real.
woman, my lad. You have to get back something.
No,
Or you have
no.
to kill her.
For
You
real, man.
understand?
For real, man.
You have to do that.
So this is a strong note to
I want
end
to.
on. You understand
Yeah,
me?
man, yeah.
Stein,
Treat the woman them like human being, brother. And
for
don't
real, man.
disrespect the
For real,
woman
man.
them, you know.
For
Born
real,
out
for
a
real.
woman, my lad. Have
So
manners and respect you.
that
You
was
see
the
me?
man himself, Stein.
Oh, yeah,
Final
me.
point before him go, and it was stronger than ever.
Oh, yeah, me.
Ladies, independence is one of the most greatest thing.
Oh, yeah, me.
Man,
Do
you
it,
no
yeah, my
own no
girl.
woman, you no own nothing
Do
where
it,
them
my girl,
have, so
them.
don't do nothing where. You understand me? Allow the girl them alone. So Stein, thank you for being here. I'm gonna drop the last
Yes,
song
man.
before you go. This song, Charge Up. You know there's something, so it's out now. You can check it out. Stein. Stein.
Chimney Records.
If you don't know where style that come from, I'm going to tell you now.
Jordan, me get gal on, me not pretend. Me get gal.
Let me bring it back into history.
Gal a wind up in
I'm going to tell you what the artist about. Listen.
yeah, them oxygen, man a top gallus, man a top gallus. Money not fi spend, man a. Stop. Stop.
I don't see your team, Mr. Bigger.
Chimney Records. To the sky. Me get gal on, me not pretend. Me get gal on, me not fi spend. Gal a wind up in a me room like the party. Them knees like me a them oxygen. Man a top gallus, man a top gallus. Money not fi spend, man a naturalist. If a gal care she a get captured quick, man a real top gallus. Top gallus, man a top gallus. Now have to use bling, man a naturalist. If a gal care she a get captured quick, man a. Start the party like ignition. Me and my friend them the gal.
And the radio rock song.
If you're just popping in, everybody in the building with them car style. But style have a bad song, you know. You're going to play that song, because him never tell me if you play it, but...
Ignition, me and my friend them the gal mission. Music a beat and the fans them a sing with song party like we have no ambition. No man put in.
When artist bad.
Bumper big belly flat like Dalakai. Me swagger stick them up like a rubber nine. Every gal of mine. We are shell down the party. Shell down the party. Shell down the party. Stand up with a superstar. And listen to me. Shot. And the current power. Every day is a new gal. Aha. I thought the street we must still have.
Brand new. I'm gonna tell them, Stein in the building.
And the current power. Every day is a new gal. Aha. I thought the street we must still have. More gal me get, more gal me a want. Gal is still eternity. You see me? Like a cassette me a wind up in a den a gala. Me give you anything you wanna feel your good punana. The recipe a Birkin, Dolce and Gabbana. Me rise me rifle like Osama put it.
If you never knew, now you know.
It is a honor. Me just fling it on the side and turn it like a spanner. Your foot on the shoulder, your head in the corner. Get you better than Savannah, knock it like a hammer. Turn back, we rest your hand on the wall. Make your body jaw bounce like ball.
Ladies,
After your body install, you a scream and a ball. Me girl them enough, like pebbles in a white mall. Me get gal a piece, get gal a white tall. Boom boom, me say me nah miss like a call. Woman a me everything, woman a me all. When me say, boom boom, fat girl, go boom boom. Every day, I do it.
Me want to eat now, no time for sleep.
Boom boom. You're full of style, yeah, me baby.
as we say, you know, Stein is in the building. Everyone that has stick around for the last hour, you know, we have to do it and just make a note say a bad artist there this week too. You understand me? So Stein, thank you for being here. Big up yourself. Whole heap of success in your career, my G. See you next time when we are going to do the follow-up. You understand me? People! All right, people, Magan, people, we cut next week, same time, same place. You know we're going to have the lady Duffy Magnum in the building saying, no, sir, back enough, so people, guess what? Me cut, me gone.